Hello learners, welcome to Atya Studies. I'm here to teach you uh, regarding coding stuff by using Java programming language. So I'll try to explain the programs in detail and make you understandable in each and every program. Yeah, so let's get started. Firstly, don't forget to subscribe my channel to get motivate me and make such beautiful content for learners. So today I'll explain one of the basic program on Leet code platform. So here we can see to some problem. It is a very easy problem. So first select our language over here. I'll select Java as my primary language. So what is the program here? Let's read. Given an array of integers nums and integer target. So return indices of the two number such that they add up to target. So what is mean here? So given an array integers, here it is giving an integers array of nums. So int array nums is taking an array, and here is an integer another target. Okay, so what is in written in the indices of two numbers. So it is accepting two index values of this array. So let's see example in input is like a nums. Here we can take an array like this. Okay, target should be 9. What it means I'll explain in detail. So let's copy the content from here. So here when I add two numbers from the array, the sum should be 9. Like if I take 2 comma 7, it should equal to 9. I mean to say 2 plus 7, that is 9. So if I take these two index values, I get the sum as 9. So here it is my the in return what I get is 2 is at 0th index and 7 is at 1th index, right? So my output should be 0 comma 1. Okay, so let's see the if my target is 18. So from which two indexes I'll get the sum 18? We can say simply like if you add these two indexes, index values 7 and 11, you will get 18 as an output, right? So my output will be in here 1 and 2, right? Because let me give index values over here as well. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So 2 is at 0th index, 7 is at 1th index, 11 is at 2 index, 15 is at 3rd index, right? So my target is to get sum of 18 by adding any two index values. Okay, so my output should be here. If I take 18, output should be like 1 and 2. So how can we give logic over here? Let's take 0th index value 2. It should be iterate over the array. Okay, 2 comma 7 and 2 comma 11, 2 comma 15. Okay, here 7 comma 11, 7 comma 15. Another index value is 11, right? 11 comma 15. That's it. The values ends here itself, because 2 plus 7 and 7, if we get in reverse order, 2 plus 7 and 7 plus 2 gives the same sum, right? So we don't move further because the sum if you add any wise, it will give the same answer, right? So 2 plus 7 is 9. It is equal to target? No. So it will go to 2 to 11. So it will give 13 as an output. So it is not matching with target. Okay. 2 plus 15 is 17. It is also not matching with the target. So 2 index sum is over. So it will move adding from the second index. So 7 plus 11, that is 18. Yeah. So here it is, we can get the output by adding these two values. Do we have any another sums? Let's see. 15 and 7? No. 22? It is 26. So our output should be 0, 7th index value and 11th index value. I hope you get the logic over here. Uh, so let's go get into the code here. So here I am using two for loops. For loop int I is equal to 0. Okay. I less than nums dot length. Okay. Up to the array length I need to iterate. Okay. I plus plus. It is my ith index values. I will iterate the loop till ith index completed. Okay. Inside it I'll get into another for loop int j. J value should start from the next moment of I. J is less than nums dot length j plus plus. Here what I want, if nums array of I, okay, plus nums array of j, if these both values, adding by these two values, if I get target value, if it is equal to target value, then I need to return one new integer array I comma j. Okay, or else return an empty array. Let's try to debug the code over here. See, it is accepting all the test cases. Okay, I'll explain this code. Okay, so here I have took two for loops, right? First for loop, let take int I is equal to 0. Okay, so my I value is 0. So 0 is less than nums dot length. What is my nums? Nums is the integer array length. Okay, nums. This array name is nums and it should iterate up to length. It up to less than length. So nums, if it is take num, for example, it is 0, 1, 2, 3. So it should iterate 4 times. Okay, so 4. 0 less than 4, it is true, so it is enter into the loop. So here j is equal to I plus 1, means it is starting to the next I, because I need to compare these two, right? So that's why I took j is I plus 1. So I here I get the value 0th index plus 1th index value. Okay, so here it is also goes to the array length. It should iterate the values till array length. Then it will come to the if condition over here. What is the if condition? Nums of I. What is I value over here? Nums of 0. I value is 0, right? And nums of j value is 1, right? So it will add nums 0th index value and nums 1th index value. What is there here? So 2 plus 7. Okay, 2 plus 7, which is 9, which is not equal to the target. What is the target over here? Target is 9, so it will end the loop here itself. So it is matching the loop, so it will return the I and j indexes. Okay, so we to reduce time complexity, because it is taking too much time, so to reduce time complexity for the solution, we need another way as well. So I will explain that in next video. So thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe.